Good morning. Good morning, everybody. This is Pinkie, the housewife, and today is Friday. So this is the last day of testimony this week for the Sean Diddy, Diddler, Puff Daddy, Combs. Okay? And uh, thank you all for being here this morning with me. I'm going to go ahead and get started, but let me get the house rules out of the way so we can get started right quick. Today is day 5. Y'all know these last day number 3 and day number 4. I thought day number 3 was bad, but day number 4 was shaking the walls. It was shaking the walls of that courtroom. Woo! Oh my God. Prayers go out to Cassie and her family. Oh my God. Let me just say welcome to the Pink House, everybody. We got to get the house rules out of the way so we can get started. And then also, if you can, go ahead and hit that like button for me. That's the way to keep me in the algorithm, and I will appreciate it. Also, one more thing, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to both channels, Pinkie the Housewife and my second channel, Pink Global. Go ahead and do that. Now, let's go ahead and get on with the matter at hand. Let me just put up a graphic, warning graphic content, okay? That's my trigger warning for you, all right? Now, let's go ahead and get started right now. This is day 5. Cassie Ventura she gives the details of the freak off. Was it explosive? It was explosive. This is during the Diddy, Sean Diddy Combs criminal trial. Oh my God. My prayers go out to that young lady, Cassie. Oh my God. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Let me just see who we all got in here. Good morning, Linda Gamble. Thank you, Linda, for being here this morning. Happy Friday to everybody. Linda said, hit the like button on your way into the chat. Please do so. All right. And from my second channel, good morning. Okay. And also, Miss Alice, thank you for being here, Miss Alice. Thank you for supporting the channel. I cannot do it without you, Linda Gamble, and the rest of my members and subscribers. I could not do it without you. Thank you so much. Now, what I'm going to go ahead and do, just go ahead and bring you, what we're going to see first is how they are coming in. They're already in the courtroom. It ain't like they haven't been there. I just couldn't get up this morning. My husband woke me up this morning, and me being who I am, I just couldn't get up. Sorry about that, guys. He woke me up, and I went back to sleep. And then he had to come and wake me up for a second time. Yes, that's what happens with me. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and present this to you. Oh, now you all can see this is live. This is live footage, but this from this morning. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this. That you see all the players coming in. When I say the players coming in, that means the attorneys, the assistants, the mom, the dad. Oh, well, he ain't got no dad. I'm so sorry for that. The mom, the kids, or whoever's coming up in for this last day of trial this week. This is the last day for this week. Thank you for being here. Yahweh is Yabu. Make sure I'm saying it correctly, because I swear I don't want to butcher your name. I do not, but I do appreciate you being here. Thank you, and happy Friday to you as well. Happy Friday. I'm going to get that name right. I'm going to ask my daughter how to pronounce your name, because she's a whiz with names. That's what That's what she do all day long. Say names, okay? In her profession. That's all she do. Okay, so thank you for being here. Thank you. Uh, Felicia, thank you for being here this morning. Happy Friday to everybody. Now, this is them coming in. You can still see the chat is still live, but I'm going to catch you all up with everything. It was something I meant to do. Oh, I don't remember what it was. But as soon as my daughter hear coming past, I'm going to make sure I get that your name, sir, pronounced correctly. Okay, I'm looking for something. I don't know. Remember what it was? I don't remember. I know. I don't remember what it was, but it'll come to me. And when I say I just woke up, I really did. I just woke up at 10:30. I mean 10 o'clock. I was brushing my teeth and getting some clothes on. Because y'all know, for the people that been with me for a long time, y'all know in the mornings, remember I used to do my lives in my pajamas. I would wake up in the morning, drinking my coffee and doing my lives. But when I wake up, it's most people and started their day has been going on for hours, and I'm just getting up. Well, because I don't wake up until about 11 or 12 o'clock. But since this trial been going on, I've been waking up. I've been waking up early, not as early as y'all, but I wake up early. Let me see. Uh, what you say? I woke up around 10 as well. Okay. See, my everybody I in the morning I always say, Pinkie, my day have already started. Let me see what I'm gonna unmute this so we can see what's going on. This is I think this guy is Puffy's cousin. He's in the courtroom every day, and he always have his t-shirt on or his baseball cap that says Free Diddy or Diddy or something, or Puff Daddy or Puffy, Free Puffy. He's always there. And who knows, he wearing that, somebody may be he may get a lot of people want to buy that. He just started a whole new line of clothing. Now, let me just say everything that I'm going to be putting out this morning, I'm going to show everything else. Is my opinion only. This is the family coming out. So his 2 sons, 3 sons. That is so sweet. He helps his grandma out, stands back to make sure she's out. The rest of the 2, they just walk out, act like they ain't caring about whether grandma get out of there. They going in there. That's just like a Diddy. Just like a Diddy son. At least the other one helped grandma to get out of there. I'm going to go ahead. Now, I just dropped last night. Day 4. I dropped it last night. Late last night. I dropped it last night because I don't know what just happened. Because y'all know, baby, give me a second. Y'all know, baby, he's only one. So he got the energy of I don't know what. And then my 2 dogs, they wore me out yesterday. So my husband got them this morning. Let me just answer this right quick and I'll put on sorry. That was a phone call. Somebody trying to sell me some Medicaid, Medicare, or something. I'm not even old enough to get Medicare. But anyway, I don't know. I think they had the wrong number. Whoever from another number. But anyway, they got the wrong person because of the dogs. I got the husky, and I got the husky. He's big. He's the one that breaks a lot of my bones. And then my Ozzy, and then the baby. Phoenix don't wake up. Phoenix wakes up, whenever he gets ready. So my husband gets up and get him ready. But gosh, I'm tired. So he's been up this morning. He's sleeping right now. He's taking a nap. While I'm getting up, he just went down for a nap. I passed him laying in my husband's arms, sleep. And I'm glad. I'm so glad. So here we go. Let's see what's going on. Let me get out of here. I'm going to go ahead and put on, we're going to watch live. Let me just pull this over some so I can see it. Whew. Yesterday testimony. Did anybody hear this man wants Cassie to get in a child's blow up pool, the kind that you blow up. Want her to get in that pool with all her clothes on and baby oil. This fool, I don't mean to call him a fool. I take that back. The diddler, okay, and lost his everlasting mind. That's what I say. He had lost his everlasting mind. Okay. Let's we're getting ready to catch this live. Now y'all know I tend to go, I switch it around from time to time. Okay, here it is right here. And I've been reporting on Diddy since Cassie filed that lawsuit. You know that?
Be anybody else's choice. It was yours.
Put one in the chat if you can hear this.
A sex case, right? That is not coercion, not sex trafficking, just pretty freaky. And so that's what they really have to hone in on. The defense does if they have any hope of defeating these charges.
Something is going.
Defense lawyers for Sean Diddy Combs will continue their cross-examination
of his
former girlfriend on Friday, trying to prove she was a willing participant in his now infamous sex parties.
I am frozen. Okay, you can. Okay, I see you can hear me. Okay, but I am frozen on. I am frozen. Let me see. Can I type? I think I'm frozen, guys. Give me 1 second. I see you, Impetitious. Come. I see you. Thank you. Good morning, Impetitious. But for some reason, oh shoot! I see what's going on. I see what's going on. I see. Give me 1 second. You're coming in. I'm trying to get to hey baby girl. If you can hear me, step this way. I'm gonna put my avatar. Step to the side for a minute. I got issues. I know you don't want to come in here. Okay, that's okay. Go ahead, baby. Hey, his husband got the baby. Where's the baby?
He's sleeping.
He's sleeping. Step to the side here. I'm frozen on StreamYard, and I don't think it's by accident. Sit down so you can see. I'm frozen. Pay attention to what I'm getting ready to show you. Hey guys, if y'all can hear me, I'm here. I'm just frozen, and I don't think it's by accident. I think somebody messing with things behind the scene. Just take what I say and run with it. Okay? Okay. Move all this out of your way so you can see. Okay. I haven't changed nothing that I'm doing. We're going to establish that, okay? Nothing has been changed. I do everything the same way. I'm frozen. And this, look at this here. You don't see it nowhere here? Look. See that? You don't see that nowhere there? I can't get over in StreamYard. But that there is in StreamYard. Chatting away. Can't see them over here. Why? And all of a sudden, I got frozen completely. Mm-hmm. My thing don't do that. So whoever that is blocking what I can and cannot do. Somebody is blocking me. This is not by accident. So we need to get in here and see who's in here want to play around with my system. Okay, so far I'm checking this. So what I'm going to do, see, this is, I can go in here and see, make sure nobody and put themselves in here where they can control ish. See, StreamYard would not let me get in. So guys, let me just say this. I don't know whether you can hear me or not. If you can, in petition, somebody put a Alice, Linda Gamble, I don't care who. Put a 1 in the chat if you can hear my voice. See, I can't even type. They didn't block me. So that's why I don't like putting my stuff up overnight. I like to just pop in alive. I just like to throw in alive and go live. Because you put your stuff overnight, that's when you get all those trolls and hackers and everybody else coming into your chat, redirecting, stealing all your views, stealing everything. All your hard work, they steal. See, I can't.
By Combs. In 2009, when Combs messaged asking if she wanted to freak off, Ventura replied, "I'm always ready to freak off, LOL. I just want it to be uncontrollable," Ventura said, referring to sex with the escort. "I can't wait. That's why I want to see," Combs responded. Later that year, when Combs emailed, "I want to be nasty for you," Ventura replied, "In order for me to be more open with the things we do in bed, I need to feel safe, like home. This is my husband, and this is the only man that will ever have this aggressive sexual side of me." When asked by the defense if this showed open communication between the two, Ventura said, "I would say." But the prosecution says this video from 2016 showing Combs assaulting Ventura as she says she tried to flee a freak-off proves the relationship devolved into abuse and control. Still, a year after that assault, the defense noted Ventura sent this to Combs in 2017. "I love our freak-offs when we both want it." Ventura saying on the stand that the text was just words at that point, echoing her previous testimony of feeling trapped and afraid of Combs's rages. The defense also argued that jealousy played a role in the volatile relationship, with Ventura writing, "I'm nervous that I'm just becoming the girlfriend that you get your fantasies off of, and that's it."
I just miss Kim, y'all.
Thank you,
know
and Petitious, for
Combs
putting
is
that
hot
one
with
in
the
here.
late Kim Porter,
Thank
the
you.
mother of 4 of his
Thank
children,
you,
and other
Petitious.
women also came up. Ventura testifying she has some
And let
jealousy of Miss
Petitious
Porter
know
because
that I
Combs
can
would
hear
spend
him.
holidays with her even though they had split up. Their fights over infidelity were a little scary, she said. In 2011, she
Do
dated
something for
rapper
me.
Kid Cudi while on a break from Combs. I
Go
thought it
ahead,
would be way too dangerous to tell him about that, she said. But Combs lunged at her, she says, after finding Kid Cudi's name in her phone during a freak-off, which still
Tell
went
her to
on
get in my
during
live.
breaks
I
in their
need her in there.
relationship because it
Go
was a
step
job,
outside the door.
Ventura said.
Tell her
Now,
to get in
there
my
was
live. What's
actually
going
a
on? And I
heated
need her to
moment in
watch
court
stuff
when
for
the
me.
judge reprimanded
Tell
the
her I'm
defense
live, and I
essentially
need
for
her to get
taking
in there.
too long
Then
with
when you
their
come back with her, then I'm gonna have
cross-examination.
you
The judge
call
said that
somebody
there was
else.
a prearrangement of sorts that Cassie Ventura would be done with her testimony by end of this week. The reason? Well, she's pregnant, and she's very pregnant. Cassie Ventura can literally go into labor any day now. So the judge said that by end of day Friday, cross-examination and redirect from the prosecution has to be wrapped up. Now, Combs' defense said she is the most critical witness, and this is a very important case. Their client, of course, is facing life in prison if convicted. Back to you.
Cassie Ventura's cross-examination resumes today in the Sean Diddy Combs racketeering and sex trafficking trial. Now, the court's taken a number of steps to ensure that her testimony is fully finished on Friday, with prosecutors expressing concern that the heavily pregnant Ventura could give birth as soon as the weekend. Combs' former girlfriend has so far testified for almost 15 hours over 3 days, with yesterday's proceedings focusing on text exchanges between the pair, talking about so-called freak-offs. Well, let's bring in CNN's legal analyst, Joey Jackson. What can we expect from today's?
Hey guys, if you can hear me right now,
this witness is very, I mean, it's sensational, right? She provides a lot of information that.
Hey guys, right now, I am frozen in StreamYard. I don't think this is by accident. I think somebody is doing something. I am frozen. I cannot navigate you see me typing in one of my chats, my other chats to communicate with you all. She didn't answer. Okay. Take that number and send a live text. That's the one right there. So if I don't know whether you can hear me, but if you can, great. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go get out of this live here and get into, I'm going to bring it back up. I'm going to bring it back up. See, that's why I don't like leaving my things overnight. Okay, Renita, I see you coming in. Renita, I see you coming in. Put a yes if you can. Put something in the chat if you can hear me. If you can hear me, I just started my live, and Terry Matthews, thank you for coming in. It's hard for. I may just have you to do something for me. See these? If you pull up on my live, here it is. Let me find my live. That's bad. Okay. See how I'm doing what I'm doing? A lot of husbands have their wives out like this. See this person here just came in, that name. Type, watch what I do for a moment. Look. Okay, just stick something in there like this here and just say GM or something. Well, I'm going to do this one right now, but just look if you watch how I respond to the people. because I'm trying to fix myself, and I know you got the baby. Oh, okay, just put something in there. Put a hello, a hand wave, a prayer hand, anything. And just ask them. Just say Pinkie is having problems with her. Renita, Pinkie, I can hear you. Okay, thank you. I'm glad you can hear me. Thank you. I can't do anything with StreamYard right now. I am completely, I wouldn't say I'm just frozen. I'm blocked out of StreamYard. I'm going to have to go out and try to come back in. Okay? I'm going to go out and try to come back in. Everybody that's in the live right now, Pinkie is having problems. Right. Thank you. Y'all see that? I can't put it up. I can't put anything up on StreamYard, your text or anything. But look at Pink Global. My second channel just said Pinkie is having problems with her StreamYard. Good morning, Terry. Good morning, Renita. In petitions, anybody that came in this morning, Linda Gamble, Alice, Felicia, and then the I can't tell what's that other name because I'm frozen. Yeah, Kwanzaa. Yeah, Kwamba. If you're in here too, if you can hear me, I'm gonna set up a new live. Just give me a second. I'm going to get out of here and y'all just hold on until I set it up, and then I'll tell you to go over to it. Okay. I'm going to put this here so you can see them. Did you want to check on the baby right quick? Okay. Just go take a peek at him. Make sure he's okay. Oh, shoot. Okay. So I'm going to end this one here. Just give me a few minutes. I'm going to end this one and create another live. I can't see whether somebody's behind the scenes messing with me right now. I got a chance to check one of my, because I'm using both of my accounts going live from both Pink Global and Pinkie the Housewife. So I can't see it right now. But I only got a chance to look at one of them. Okay, just give me a second, guys. No, let me see. Enter the chat. He's still asleep. Look and see if anybody else came in. Give me a second, guys.
Terry Matthews, I think you already got that.
Terry, yeah. Okay. Let me just put this. Okay, guys. Now, can you all hear me? Can everybody hear me? Put a 1 or a yes or something. We're trying to get this right. And since now what I want to do is go into okay, thank you. Okay. You can hear me from the phone? Okay. Thank you. I'm glad y'all can hear me. Sometimes not everything is system related. A lot of times is people working from behind the scenes. They get into your trolls and they try to create disruption, chaos during my lives. They do this with a lot of people, but they trying to disrupt my life. That's what they're trying to do. And I'm not going to get off because somebody is trying to do something. I just hope I find out who they are so we can go into battle. I just hope I find out who they are because I want to battle them on my terms. That means I want to take them down. I'm not just talking about taking them down, taking the channel down. That don't mean nothing to me, your channel. Because I can stalk you and harass you every day on your channel. You quick to leave, aren't you? Go, bye. I'm trying to make sure everything is still okay.
And Pinkie's gonna have a job as well, Pinkie.
Okay, bye. Whoever that is really trying to keep me away from doing this live. Thank you, Renita, for hanging in there. Husband had to go watch the baby. You got a job to do. You got a job to do. Yeah, because you got the baby, the dog, you got everybody. I understand. That's lemon water, and you can see the steam still coming up from it. I just had to taste it to make sure it's not too hot. Okay. I'm kind of ticked right now, but I'm letting that go because I'm going to go ahead and show you. Okay, I'm back in. Okay, I'm back in. Well, I'm glad that my husband going back to watch the baby. Keep an eye on the baby. Because baby girl, she had an appointment this morning. She had to go. We're going to watch it, guys. Just give me a second. I'm trying to get things taken care of here. It's for the people that never been to my live. This is not the way my live goes. I put on a fantastic, amazing lives. Y'all just happen to see when somebody is behind the scenes trying to cause chaos. That's all. That's what y'all are seeing. And sometimes, yeah. Okay. Okay. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Let me do one thing. Oh, I was gonna okay. All right, guys. Now we can get back. Thank you, Renita, for coming in. Thank you for coming in. Thank you, Terry, for coming in. Thank you all. Okay. Now let me go ahead and get back to what we're supposed to be doing. Okay. I need y'all to help me. And when I say help me, I need y'all to help me. When I ask a question, can y'all hear me? It's only because for some reason somebody is trying to do something, so I'll stop this live. Okay. So if y'all can answer with putting a 1 in the chat or a yes in the chat, that would help me out greatly. Okay. I know some people don't want to talk. They just want to sit in the chat. I'm not asking you to talk. I'm just asking, just put a 1 in the chat if I ask you a question, or if you can hear me, if you can't hear me, a 2 or something. Because I know I can ask 1,000 times, and I can have so many people in my chat, and they still won't respond. And I'm telling off right now. I'm telling off. Okay. That's what you have to do when you got snakes around. Some people don't understand when I say snakes. I really mean snakes. But I'm not going to make this hit the like button. Thank you, Terry. Working, but I would try to respond. Terry, you go ahead. I'm just I know you would. I know you would. That's the only way I can know whether I'm still y'all can still see me or hear me, because they're doing their best. They're doing their best. But they if they really want to do their best, they'll let me know who they are. Come up in I'll pop up in the chat and let me know it's you, so I can tell you what I'm gonna do after I have you to pull up on me or call me, DM me, so I can tell you what we're gonna do. Because y'all got to remember, I'm not the type of person that y'all see on these channels. I'm the type of person would take you down. I don't fight with nobody. I come in with my sledgehammer and take you down and make sure you live to talk about it. Okay? But anyway, don't let this little face fool you. Okay. Now, let's get back to what we started from. Okay? Thank you, Terry. We're going to go ahead and get back to the matter at hand. All right? This is a live chat. I had it presenting, or was trying to get it presented, but things got locked up on me. So I'm going to try to do it now for you all. This is where everything went haywire when I tried to bring up another. This is CNN News 18. All right. So this is where it went. I'm going to highlight this and put it down, so if it get locked up on me again, I know what we was watching, and I'll just pull it back up when I get a chance. If I put it somewhere. So if we get locked up, I just saved it, so that way we can try to pick up where we left off. Okay, guys? Give me 1 second. Okay. Here we go. And if you all can hear the reporter Josie Jackson speaking on CNN, please put a 1 in the chat, or yes, a thumbs up, anything that makes you happy. But this is a live chat. I had to pause it because we was having issues. So we're going to pick up where I left off at.
That's helpful to prosecutors like what? Remember, it's a racketeering charge. That means in English that he ran a criminal enterprise, he being Sean Puffy Combs, that he ran it for the purpose of his sexual exploitation and gratification. And what do criminal enterprises have? They have sex trafficking, they have assault, they have guns, they have drugs, they have a number of other things. Why am I saying this? Because she gives you all of that color, right? In addition to that, for the sex trafficking charges, what do they mean? It means that you ultimately had intercourse and were moving people around in interstate commerce between state and state. You were doing it by force, right? By compulsion, by coercion. And she indicates because of the beatings that he gave her, because of his control of her relationship, because of the fact that he was who he was, that it was coercion. You also have in criminal enterprises, you guessed it, right? Sexual trafficking. And then, of course, there's the element of the prostitution. And so from a defense perspective, you have to refute that. And that's what cross-examinations are all about. Well, how do you do it? Number one, you have to speak to the issue of humanizing Sean Combs. We've had this videotape with him beating her plate over and over and over again. So the defense has to indicate, right, and have her accept he was a charming guy. You said that, did you not? In fact, he was very engaging. He was very good to you at times. He was loving to you. That humanizes him, makes him not such the monster. Pivoting from there. The other issue as it relates to coercion is demonstrating that she could have left this 11-year relationship at any time. Why and how? She was a model. She was an actress. She was a singer. She was tremendously talented by her own right. She was well-resourced in her own right. And so therefore, he wasn't compelling her to do so. And then finally, right, you're going to talk about not only those issues, but the critical issues relating to the enterprise, right? What does she know about how he was conducting his business? Certainly it was a legitimate branding business. It was a business that certainly was one that was generational. And if
you know what, guys, I'm going to say something. I disagree with a lot of the things he's saying. I really do. I'm just letting you know.
Orchestrated. So that defeats the issue of coercion. It defeats the issue of you're compelling, and it makes her and him having a freaky sex life, but morality is not on trial. Criminality is. And so that's what the defense needs to do when it's pushback in its cross-examination.
From what you've heard to date, how would you assess this is going?
So, you know, it's always an open question, right? It's the issue is really, you know, we can hear things that the jury sometimes doesn't hear, right? We can view things that the jury doesn't view. Why do I say that? Because at the end of the day, remember, there are 12 jurors. And with those 12 jurors, they have to be, right, unanimous. Every one of them has to find guilt. If any one of them says, hey, I'm not convinced, you have a hung jury. Doesn't mean he gets off. It means you have to do it again. Will the government do that? Then you have 6 alternates, of course. So whenever we talk about how it's going, it really doesn't matter what you think, what I think, what reporters think, what the media thinks. It matters what the jurors are thinking. And again, I think the core issues, if you can pound away on the fact that, look, this issue with this violence and everything else, it was really triggered by his drug use. And they both use drugs, right? If the jury buys that and says that was because of that and not because he was just this beast of a human being and it was a one-off. He started her on these drugs. And for the nightmare that she was subject to every week, all the time for days, 3 and 4 days at a time. 2 days is still too long. 1 day is still too long. A few minutes of that is still too long. She had to use those because that's what he wanted. He got her to hook. He knew what to do. And then just for her to get through that, like she said, it helped take her out of the situation. Your body is there, but your mind is not there. Oh, Lord, somebody. Oh, my God. This woman went through 10 years of hell. He never loved her. You're going to love somebody and have other men going in and out of her like that, treating her and peeing and pissing all over her. And then you doing it too. And then you doing all the things that you do. Stomp her, beat her. That ain't no love. That's control. That's a narcissist that got his favorite toy, playing with it every day. Then perhaps you get them to overlook that. Domestic violence for sure, but that's what's not on trial, right? Racketeering is on trial. Sexual exploitation is on trial.
Racketeering from day one, since she's been talking. Have you not heard what day 3 and 4 said? You have not heard that. She even broke it down a little more for the people that's too slow to get it. Racketeering is on trial, but that transportation to engage in prostitution, she's been telling you that all along. When he takes her over state lines, she goes to another state to engage in that freak off. And then other people are coming from those other states to engage in his freak off. That's what. Lord of mine, somebody help this. I got to get him off. We've been hearing it over and over. She's telling you. Some people, especially, let me not say it. I'm trying to find another, and I love CNN. I'm just not loving what's coming out of his mouth. It's not because he's not saying what I want to hear. This is almost like a blame game. You're blaming the source. You're blaming the victim.
That's number one. Number two, if you get the jury to say it's a long-term relationship and that might have been immoral, it may have been something, no one else would subscribe to that's on the jury, but it was how they lived their life. And she was enthusiastic about it, and she was on board with it, and she was
19 years old when he met her. And he was old enough to be her daddy. She was 19. What 19-year-old got any? Guys, they just kicked me out again. I just got kicked out. So if y'all can hear me, I just got kicked out again. I guess I'm not saying what they want me to say. I guess voicing my opinion is too much for them. But I got kicked out. That's why you don't let everybody in the world know you're getting ready to go live. That's why normally I don't put up my live until 5 minutes or 15 minutes before I go live. Because you leave it up there, everybody get to looking, oh, she's going to go live at this time. Let's send some trolls over there. Let's send y'all people that ain't got nothing else to do. Let's send all the criminals over there to her live. I don't know whether y'all can hear me or not, but I'm still here. That's what they do. Oh, let me see. Oh, y'all can still hear me. Okay. Let me see. Can I take this down? Okay. So I don't know what happened. Only reason I know that y'all could hear me because I'm watching myself. I happen to grab my phone and I'm watching my own live. So that's the only way I knew y'all could hear me. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I'm glad you could still hear me. The screen went black. I was completely blacked out. You couldn't see nothing. Okay. So instead of doing that, I got transcripts and stuff, but these, let me see when the last day I got them and everything. It seems like, who is that? Y'all have to excuse me. Y'all have to excuse me. I'm going to show you what I'm looking at right now. But seems like every time I show anything, that's when they want to knock me out, stop my life. So let me show you what I'm looking at right now. Uh, oh, they are trying. They are really trying their best. I don't know. Can y'all see that? Yeah. So I see that y'all can't see it. Well, I can't see it. Okay. Hi, Tracy. You a judge? No. Um. Okay. I'm gonna try this again for some reason. For some reason, every time. Let me do something, guys. Every time I get to try to cast something, it just acts. It just want to do its thing. It just want to do what it do. Okay? Let me try it again. Okay? That's what I want to show. So instead of doing that, we'll just do it. Okay, I'm going to try to cast this and see what it shows. Okay. Let me unmute it. Okay. So I see what's going on now. So outside the I can't see it. It takes whenever I do anything trying to cast, it takes me completely down. But you all should be able to see me and hear me because I can hear myself from my phone. So it takes me completely down. But you all are able to see the outside of the courthouse. There's with all the officers standing outside and a lady in a wheelchair. Okay, that's what I'm showing. So this is a live feed. This is a live and everything. So what I'm going to do while I do that, I'm going to just bring up last night. I'm going to bring up last night. Okay. From what I got last night. So okay. So let me see. Because this is how I'm going to test it. And then let me just go in here and I'm going to test it by bringing up my own stuff and see what happens. I'm sorry, guys, about this. Y'all can hear the audio. Y'all can hear the audio. Okay. Yeah, you should be able to hear the audio from here. Tracy said, I think the judge is going to throw the book at him, especially with Justin Bieber. Okay. Let me so I'm gonna show you all. This is from last night. I'm not gonna be able to show that because for me trying to show it, I'm gonna show you what, because they're talking. They're talking about getting updates in real time.
The defense brought back the 2016 incident that happened on the hotel. The jury saw Ventura's March 10, 2016 text to Combs. When you get effed up the wrong way, you always want to show me power in the round. I'm not a rag doll. I'm someone's child, read aloud, detailing abuse. The jury also views messages from days after the 2016 intercontinental altercation. Combs expressed a sexual desire for Ventura. Under cross examination, Ventura says she found it a little strange post assault. Combs in the text wrote, I felt that way from Friday. What are you doing? Ventura replied. Not a good vibe. We need a different vibe than Friday. Combs said, F Friday, LOL. I don't want to do that again. They exchanged love yous. Ventura says Diddy often took her phone, passport, and other belongings when angry, usually over men that she had dated.
It's not letting me that, guys. So what I'm going to do, so since it won't let me do that, what I'm going to go ahead and do, just read from what I got. Okay. Just give me 1 second. Ooh, 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 ooh. But let me just recap from day 3 up until day 4 up until today. Okay. I tried, but for some reason it's not working. All right. So I'm going to do a recap. All right. And hope that works out. Let me just get ready so I can do that recap. So we're just going to so we're going to start from, let me just check something. Okay. And this was, oh, this is day 5. I'm trying to, normally, I'm just trying to make sure ain't nobody in here playing around. Okay. Okay, I can close that. Go back. Okay, so day 3 was today is Friday. 5th, 4th was on a Thursday. So that was on a Wednesday. Okay. Day 3 was on a Wednesday. And when we on day 3, I'm itching right between my eyebrows for some reason. Y'all have to excuse me. I'm itching right there. I don't know. Y'all have to excuse me. But I love you anyway. Okay? Pinkie the housewife love you, although her face is itching. He's a monster. He's worse than a monster, Tracy. He's worse than that to me. What do VCCCBBMM? Hi, Angela. Thank you for being here. I just realized you was in the chat. What do that mean, Angela? V space VCCs. What do that mean? I don't know what it means, Angela. You know, I don't know what that means. And good morning for everybody that came into my chat and not said good morning to me or good afternoon to me. I'm used to people coming in my chat, at least saying hi to me. I'm serious. Y'all don't know. Y'all just don't know. Y'all be fooling with the wrong person. I'm used to people saying hi to housewife, hi to Pink Global, hi Pinkie, or hi Chad, or hi Miss Lady, or something. Or how's your dogs doing? Saying something. Instead, you come in the chat and you just be asking questions, jumping off with stuff. I don't even know what you're talking about. And not one said hi to me. In a way, that's a little disrespectful to me. It really is. Because I wouldn't go in somebody else's chat, and I'm a content creator, and I got 3 channels. I will not go in nobody else's chat and not even say, hi, clown, hi, boogaloo, or nothing to them. Just stop asking questions. It's like, do I know you from Jack Jill? First of all, I don't know you, and second of all, you're showing me no respect. But that's okay. I get people like that sometimes. When I get people to come in my chat and do stuff like that, first thing I'd say, they're a troll, or they're a pick-me, or they're coming in there just to disrupt the live. They ain't coming in there with nothing good to say, and ain't wishing you good or Wednesday or Friday or Saturday or nothing. They just coming in there with an agenda. Because if they're not coming in there with an agenda, they'll speak to you. I will not go in somebody else's house and never speak to them. Just saying. I'm not calling nobody out. I'm just saying I have that right. Hi, Miss Thompson. Thank you for coming into the chat. Thank you. Happy Friday. Yeah, see how easy that is. But anyway, let me get over to, because I didn't know I was going to have this problem this morning. Let me go over here and see, do I have some of his files? I know I got them. I just, early in the morning, I haven't even finished. Wait, let me finish drinking my, some of my lemon water this morning. I have not finished drinking my lemon water this morning, and it's hot. I switched over to lemon water after I lost my voice for about 2 weeks. I had laryngitis, and I couldn't speak for 2 weeks. I could not talk. Nothing came out. Went to the doctor twice for it. Nothing came out. He said, give it a week and you come back and see me in a week. I went back, still, he could barely hear me. He had to put his head up to me so he can hear what I'm saying. He said, this is not good. Yeah. And I think it's trying to happen again. Okay, so let me go in. Oh, I'm thinking let me go into my thing and pull up and see, do I have any of those transcripts where I need them to be, so we can talk about this. Okay, let me. Oh my God. This is from People magazine. They're saying Justin Bieber breaks his silence on whether he was among Diddy's victim. Wait now. Exact words. It's saying whether he was a victim. Whether he was a victim. He breaks his silence on whether he was a victim. That's from People magazine. I think everybody in the world knows whether he was a victim. And I feel, and that's another person. My heart goes out to Cassie. I wish I could be there in New York so I can be her mama bear for the day. Not that I could get anything out of it, because I don't need anything out of it. If you know me, you know Pinkie don't need nothing out of it. Because I live just fine. Just fine. And if you don't know, if you want to know how I live, go back and watch my videos on Pinkie the Housewife. Go back and start watching my videos of me. Oh, because I haven't had time. Go back and watch my home videos. Pinkie lived just fine. So I wish I could just be a mother bear there. Matter of fact, I'll be helping her. Because I don't need nobody to help me. Nobody. But if you want to help me, you can give me $20,000 before my life is over. Cash out me $20,000. If you can't do that, or give me $100,000 by the end of this month, since you didn't give me anything for my birthday and buy me some land, you can do that. So that's why you can't nobody help me, because you see what I'm saying? Give me $20,000. Not that I need it. Everybody would say, "Oh, I need $20,000." No, I don't need it. Is it going to benefit me? Not really. See, that's why I said I can go there and be Mama Bear. I can be Mama Bear. Because she needs somebody there that ain't there to get something out of the deal. Somebody that already can match what she already got. So they don't need nothing from you. Somebody that's already living that lifestyle, so they don't need nothing from you. They there to help you, that's all. Okay? Okay. Let me pull this down. Colton, James, Hodge, hello. Thank you for being here. I haven't seen you in a while. I guess Colton said I pop up when I pop up. I pop up when I pop up. Thank you for being here, though. Okay. Thank you for being here. Now, let me try to, but I was talking about Justin. I think Justin may be on that list. Y'all know that list I'm talking about? Let me pull that list up. I think Justin may be on that list. Wait, hold on. Come, wait, guys, come on in. Okay, guys. Okay, go ahead. I'm gonna make sure baby get ready. Let me baby and woke up. Let me I'm gonna put something on right quick and while I sit here and get baby ready. Go with hubby. Okay, so I'm gonna bring baby in here and be getting him dressed so he can go with hubby. Okay. In the meantime, wait, let me just go get baby. Let me go get baby right quick. Let me find put the music on for y'all. Or I'm gonna put a video on for you. How about that? Yeah, I know y'all want to see my baby. Okay, let me go get him. I know y'all want to see my baby. I'm gonna put on the video I had last night that I did last night on number 4. Okay, I'm gonna put that video on. The information from last night. Just give me 1 second to get it brought up. And let me see. Okay, this is from last night. So I'm going to, and this is some very good information. Okay, very good information. This is from last night. So last night I was tired, I was exhausted, and I looked a hot mess. So we're going to not worry about the fact that I looked a hot mess last night. Okay. Wait. Day 3. First I thought well, I thought all the days was, then I thought nothing can beat day 3. Wait, guys, I froze again. Even me showing my own stuff, for some reason it makes me freeze. I even showing my own video, so I'm not going to do that. Carlton saying hello to everybody. See, I like that. And Will, thank you. Good morning. Thank you for coming in. Guys, let me just run and get baby right quick. For some reason, it's not letting me show anything. Maybe, I don't know. Let me try one of these other videos. I'm really curious why I can't show my videos. Let me try a video that nobody would expect me to show. Where is me and my baby girl? I'm going to show my baby girl until I come back. I'm just going to go get the baby, and I'll be right back, guys. Go grab him and grab some clothes to put on him. Okay. Oh, Lord. I'm just typing here, baby girl. Cause I call all my. I got 2 daughters. I call them both baby girl because when you got tell you what, I'll just let y'all look at this until I come back. I'll just let y'all look at this here talk because I'm gonna run and get the baby. Get the clothes first. Because if I don't, baby, y'all don't know my baby. I'll let y'all watch this for a moment. Here it is. Okay. Okay. I got to bring it up on the stage. Add to the stage. It's not letting me add it. Okay, now I'm going to do this. This is some freaky ish going on. Oh my God. This is some freaky ish going on. Oh, let me go get the
Don't you feel like no crying? Don't you feel like crying? Like if I ever come on. When you're home.
Guys, I'm back. And you will not believe this. He's gone. Took the baby. Last thing I seen, he was putting the baby on another pair of pajamas right before my live. And then the baby had fell asleep, laying up on him, right? Baby fell asleep up on him. They're gone. I searched the house. Nobody was answering. Went over on the other side of the house. Looked out the door. The garage door was going down. And I could see that big white Denali pulling out. It's like, what? He don't come. Not that, although baby got white folks hair, but I still brush it in the mornings. I still give him a brush. I still brush it down this way and then just do something. I brush the back up this way and this way and that way. I just still do that. The baby, I know he took that baby, took Phoenix in his pajamas. Okay. Oh dear. Yeah, it's hot outside. My knee locked up on me. I think I'm feeling old football injuries. Oh my God. You may, after you got bad weather, that's probably what you're feeling, because I broke so many bones in my body, fooling around with dogs and climbing up on things and doing all this crazy stuff on the property. I'm serious. I break so many bones. And got one right now. I just had a procedure from a rotator cuff. Just had physical therapy. Torn this same rotator cuff is torn again. Torn again. I'm sorry about that though. But anyway, hello to the chat and happy Friday. Thank you so much. Okay, so did y'all watch that video? Because I ran off. That was me. That was a video from, how long ago was that video? That was 2 years old. See? Like I was trying to dance for y'all. But let's talk more about this is me and baby girl. Y'all want to see my baby girl? Let me show y'all my baby girl. This is one of them. Remember, I got more than one baby girl. Remember, but I call them all baby girl. Okay? She was teaching me this dance. She taught me, and 10 minutes or 15 minutes later, we was doing this dance. No, it's not letting me do it. Oh, yes, it is. Okay, here it is. Can y'all see that? Oh my God. Yeah, I told you. So that's who I am in a nutshell. I got tons of videos like that. So when I say that's who I am in a nutshell, so y'all get a chance to see who Pinkie really is. So that's why I say when people come into my chat, show me some love. Say hello to me. Oh, I don't. This is me. Oh, I don't like these scary movies. I told you I didn't want to do a scary movie. Why you got the scary movie on?
It wasn't supposed to be scary.
Well, what's scary to you is not scary, but scary to me. Oh my God, I need my kid. Baby girl. Oh my God. Did you tell her what my kid? Baby girl. Baby girl. Hurry up and bring me my candy. Ooh. Oh my Lord.
Here's your candy.
Oh, okay. I didn't ask for all this.
And water.
Okay,
Careful, it's open.
A small water,
it's open.
What all this? Y'all trying to get me fat? Why is it every time I ask my kids for something, they overdo it? Do I look like I need to gain some weight? Why do they do this? I can't eat all this. So guys, that's me. I don't know whether y'all could see those or not, but that's just me. And Mother's Day, we just had a Mother's Day. We just did a Mother's Day. And yes, we did. We just had Mother's Day. Oh, it's not letting me even show that. But that's me on Mother's Day. It's not me. I don't know why. Here it is. bad. I'm trying to, but we getting ready to get on the deal. It's not even showing. That's okay. I thought I was showing that. Good morning, guys. This is Pinkie, the housewife, and it's Mother's Day. I want to wish every mother around the world happy Mother's Day. And I hope you all are having a wonderful, wonderful time on this Sunday morning, celebrating Mother's Day with your family, your friends, and your grandkids, everybody. And I hope all your kids are surrounded by you and everything. I'm having a wonderful time myself. We started yesterday. My family took me out for Mother's Day. And then also they surprised me this morning. My daughter picked out pink. She told me to wear pink this morning. So she picked out my sweatsuit I got on. My sweatsuit, yes, she did. And gray shirt. So I'm wearing what she picked out for me. Well, of course, she didn't pick out the millimeters hat, which is Melanie's 7th Avenue hat. I picked that out myself. But I wish everybody a happy, wonderful Mother's Day. And I'm getting ready to go eat my seafood. They already got my seafood ready. And thank you guys. And I'll be seeing you all later very soon. Happy Mother's Day. Okay. Whew. Okay. Get out of that. Now, let's go and watch some Diddy stuff. I don't know what's happening. When I pull it up, it asks for food. Thank you. You said my grandmama told me all she wanted is the money. She ain't want the card. I said, Grandma, you want the money. Grandma, right. Did she make that sister? Did she make what? Which one? Talking about the pink flowers for Mother's Day. Everything I had on, everything she did. She woke me up, and when I was already at work, but she came in the bathroom while I was brushing my teeth and wanted me to wear pink, and I didn't know why. So I just went on and let her pick out some pink for me. Go ahead, pick out pink for me. That's what, young folks, they pick out your sweatsuit. They ain't picking you out nothing for you to look nice in. Y'all off the chain. Thank you. You don't look a day over 25, Miss Pinkie. Thank you. My kids, I'm so small, they can pick me up. But anyway, let's go back over this. Justin Bieber breaks his silence on whether he's among the Diddy members that's gone to Diddy's victims. Everybody knows this young man is a victim. So he don't have to break his silence. We already know. And my heart goes out to you. My heart goes out to him. So I'm going to go ahead and see about reading some of these docs I got on Diddy. And also, don't forget, guys, remember that list that they put out on, I think on day 2, we had 4 people on that list for day 2. I'm going to try to bring that list up, and then on day 3, we had 12 people on that list. That celebrity. I call it the Diddy. What did I call it? I got it written down. Let me see. I called it something. Let me see what I called that list. I called that list. It was the Diddy celebrity. Y'all better tell list. Something like the Diddy celebrity, y'all better tell this. You better tell why you can. Because in numbers, when a lot of people is in numbers, you're stronger together. I understood a lot of people didn't want to come out against this man because he got tapes on you showing that you did the nasty. showing that you are doing the nasty in a bed with another man. Probably showing you doing the nasty with 3 and 4 men. Probably showing that well, we can't tell that you knocked out, but you laying on the bed, and you supposed to be this big Hollywood actor, and he probably got you some picture of you doing the nasty with bodily boo-boo on you, rubbing that all over you, with baby oil mixed in the mix of it. And y'all know when you get that baby oil put on you, that baby oil ain't just baby oil. What? So when you go and get this here stuff put on you, the reason why I got this baby oil, because we got a baby in the house. Okay? I ain't got this baby oil to give it to Diddy or send it to him to his detention center. Diddy, you ain't getting this baby oil from me. Okay? I am not sending this baby oil to the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn. I'm not sending that this here. I got a baby here. We use this baby oil here because we got a baby in the house. And we don't have 1,000 bottles of baby oil and some lubricant. We don't have that. I just got baby oil for each room of the house. Not each room, but my room for the baby when he's there, for his room when he's here, and then the common area. So you don't have to walk all over the house to go find get the baby oil. But guys, don't trust that baby oil. Okay? Now, Cassie was on the stand starting on day 2. Day 2, day 3, day 4. Okay? She's, my understanding, they want to finish Cassie's testimony. They want Cassie's testimony to be done by they want her to be done by today. They don't want Cassie to still be, oh my God, this thing got frozen now. Let me see, can I? Oh Lord. Okay. Okay. Well, we'll just leave it up here. At least can I put my face over to the side of it? It's not going to let me do anything, guys. I'm frozen again. Okay. So it's moving on here because I'm watching my video. So on my video, it's moving just fine. But on I can't bring it down. It's stuck. Let me see. It is stuck, guys. Well, since it's now I'm stuck. I can't. Okay, now it's just showing. Okay. It's just stuck right now. It's not letting me get into. But since I know I can be heard, I'm just gonna go ahead and just roll with it. Okay? That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I know I can hear myself. I know you all can hear me. But I can't get back into StreamYard right now. But let me just say this. So Cassie, and I wish I could take that picture down. I can't take it down. It's stuck. Okay. So when I'm able to take that picture down. So since this picture is up there, let me just talk about him. Let me find his paperwork and talk about him. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, what is his first name? I forgot. I know his last name is Smith. Let me I know what his last name is. It's Smith. So what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to just pull him up. And since he's stuck on my screen, because this man here is still in prison. Let me just say that he is in prison. This is a man that sued Sean Combs. And when he sued Sean Combs, he got a hefty $100 million. Yes, he did. He sued Combs and got and he did his own paperwork. He didn't have an attorney. He was his own attorney. He was his attorney. And when he sued for that $100 million, son is trying to not paying. But he's still in jail. So that means whenever he gets out of jail, he's going to be a wealthy man. Okay? And he didn't just sue, and he had proof. He didn't sue Sean over no silly. He sued because he was one of the victims. He was a victim of Sean, allegedly, Sean P. Diddy Combs. Allegedly. So I'm going to throw that allegedly in there. But the judge ruled in his favor. Put it like that. I'm trying to bring up so I can go, because I have all of his. I have everything. I just want to pull it up and do it from there. That's what I'm trying to do. Since I'm stuck and I'm frozen on, I can't. Oh, StreamYard is trying to let me back in. Oh, Lord. Guys, it's trying to let me back in. That means it must want me to do something. Let me see. Let me see what it let me. Y'all can see my face. I can see a little me. Yes, I can. I just can't see all of me. Let me do something. Make sure I'm caught up. Okay, it's still showing Smith. I can't remember his first name, but I think it may start with a D, but I'm trying to pull it up so we can go over here since I can't pull him down. And Sean allegedly victimized this man too. It's taking me too long to try to find it. So it's taking me too long to try to find it. I'm going to go this other way. Y'all have to excuse me. I may not let this live go on any longer because for some reason I'm getting kicked out and everything. So because I can't pull up anything that I need to pull up. I can't talk about anything that I need because I can't even get certain things. Once it pops up, it's stuck up there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just do this all when my husband gets back. Because like he told me, his job is he got a job to do. His job is to take care of the baby when I'm busy. Oops. Ooh, I just saw some candy I dropped on the floor. That hadn't been there for a long time because I don't remember dropping that kind of candy because I haven't had that in over a week or two. I haven't had this candy here in a week or two. But we're going to go ahead and end it now because we're on day 5 of Sean P. Diddy Combs federal trial for racketeering, transportation to engage in prostitution. And we're seeing that transportation to engage in prostitution every day. Y'all just haven't been realizing that's what y'all are watching, because every time Cassie speaks, she's speaking on it. You all just think it's just a battered woman thing that she's going through. But every time he takes her across state lines, that's that transportation to engage in prostitution or sex. She's every time he bring a male sex worker, or every time he do anything like that, that's what's going on. So y'all been hearing it, but I'm gonna have to probably I'm gonna get the information out to you today. I don't know how, but I'm gonna get it out to you. So I probably have to do it as a pre-recorded, or I may just go on to one of my other channels. I got another channel that I haven't that's not being that I'm not on live, because I'm on live with Pinkie the Housewife and Pink Global. So I go probably on my third channel, the original Pinkie, and pick up wait a little later on during the day so I can gather all the information that I need from today's testimony on the stand with Cassie Ventura. And they want to wrap this up. The judge wants them to wrap this up today with her, not the trial, but anything dealing with Cassie, because Cassie, she's really, really pregnant. She can give birth any day. So they want to wrap that up. Get that taken care of. Because you can't subject a pregnant woman, as pregnant as Cassie is, ready to give birth, to all of this for hours at a time. That's not right. That kind of treatment. I don't care whether you're the defense team trying to get this man out on a technicality or whatever, because just like everybody else know, he did what he did, and this was not consensual. None of this was consensual. What woman would consent to being put in a ordered to get into a baby blow up swimming pool, the kind that you put your kids in, filled with baby oil, and tell her to get in there with all her clothes on? What woman would subject her? She felt humiliated. She felt like she didn't matter. She felt lower than low. And then also, let me say this, how he would beat her. He did things I have never heard of. I don't know how he makes this. You got to have a sadistic mind in order to make this stuff up. You got to be sadistic in the head in order to make stuff like this up. You know what I mean? You can't be a law-abiding citizen. That's what he portrayed, that he's a law-abiding citizen. Law-abiding citizens don't do stuff like this. They don't do none of this stuff. You go to work, you do your job, whether you run your own business or not. You take care of your wife, you take care of your kids with love, Ain't none of this is part of love. None of this have not love got to do with it. This is control. This is how a narcissist control their victims. And if she had stayed long enough, she could have been unalive, whether it's by accident or not. And this is just my opinion on all those drugs that she was put through. She didn't know whether she was going or coming or up or down. But having all these men, and I heard that because of the treatment that he subjected her to for all those years, and the freak off had to happen every week. They had a freak off, allegedly, from what my understanding from yesterday. They had freak offs every week. This was a weekly thing. So by the time she go through this 2 to 3 or 4 days straight, it takes her just as long, like she said, just as long for her to recover from said freak offs. And she would have mouth sores from them putting all their wings and tootsie rolls in her. From the bottom, from the crack to the front, from the mouth, anywhere they can find a hole. Wonder they didn't stick it in her eye or in her ear. Because they're paid to do what any crazy fantasy that he want them to do against her. And in my opinion, this wasn't consensual. How can you consent when you under the influence? Tell me that. You under the influence, because she had to make sure she takes something so she can put herself into another space. For the women, y'all know what I'm talking about. You want to put yourself into another space, another world, because you don't want to live through this trauma that he's putting you through. You don't want to have to remember this trauma, in which you still going to remember, because he makes sure you remember, because he makes sure everything is videotaped. It's on video. And that's how he kept her in line, by making sure she watched the videos. Let her know that I got a video of you. I got you on video. And not just you, but all the workers, the escorts and everything. And he does this with all his freak offs. So if you're somebody that didn't know you was being taped after his big parties, you better leave before a certain time. If you ain't gone by that certain time, you're part of it. And if you don't take that drink when he give it to you, then he know another way to get you, because you can just piss them off. So that means now you're gonna have to put that baby. They're gonna have to put some baby oil on you, and that baby oil is already laced, in my opinion. That baby oil is lace. So I can. I'm trying to